Hello and welcome. Today we'll be getting familiar with the SAS Viya environment and how to use the tools. So if you open your SAS Viya environment, you will be in this page and from here you'll be seeing different catalogs like the Discover Information Asset, SAS Studio, Develop Code and Flows, SAS Visual Analytics, Model Studio, Model Manager, and Intelligent Decisioning. So first we'll go to this left upper corner dots, and from here you can manage your environment. And if you want to see the analytic tools, you will be seeing from here what we have seen from the catalogs, manage data, build models, develop code and flows. First we'll go to manage environment, and from there we'll be seeing different options. So from the manage environment, we can see different folders, our favorites, task contents shared by me, and different things. If we select this one, we can see the folders or in a table format folder and many things. If we want to import something, we can import from here, different file formats, and many other things. You have to play with the settings to get familiar with it, and then we'll move on to the develop code and flows, and from here we can type our codes like the Python codes and other things. So here you can see we have a program in SAS, programming Python. If you want to program in SAS language, you can do it from here, and if you want to program in Python, we can do it as well. Let's say we want to write our first Python code in our SAS environment. We'll type print, and then we'll type first code in SAS environment, and we'll run it from here, and it will be run. We can see that our code has been run, and you can see that this is our code, and it has been run here, first code in SAS environment. So this is how you can just run a simple code in Python, and you can go back to the start page from here. If you want to import a file, query file or data or SAS program file or even Python program, you can just import it from here. And if you want to create another page or program, you can just create a program from here, or even a flow or even a query. So we'll be heading back, and now we can go to the analytics, which is the explore and visual. And if we go there, and we'll be seeing these things, we can see the folder as we have seen in the manager, environment manager. We can see different folders, recents, and here is the table format of our folders, and if you want to do a new analytics, we can just create new report for doing our own analysis. We can add or import data as we like. From here you will have an option to add your data or import data. You click it, you will be able to uh, import your local files or a SAS content from here. For now, we won't be importing anything. You can also design a report by selecting a pre-template designed within the SAS environment. You can also select this one, and we can see all the templates are here, but we haven't selected anything yet, and we haven't done anything. We can also zoom in, remove it, or even delete it up also if you don't want anything. And let's get back to the other things. Now will see the build models category. So from here you can create your own models as you like. As we can see, forecasting models, feature extraction, miscellaneous, and there are different files here, pre-existing files for the SAS. So I hope you get a good idea of how the SAS environment is, and you have gotten much more familiar with it. So thank you for watching.